How do you install Google Tag Manager into your website? That's what I'm going to be showing you on this short video. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how to create a Google Tag Manager piece of code, how to put it into your website, and then how to test to see if your Google Tag Manager has been installed. And for those of you who do not know what Google Tag Manager is, Google Tag Manager is a free piece of code that you can get from Google, and it allows you to add and manage other pieces of code that you want to put into your website. For example, if you want to install Google Analytics, so instead of going to your website developer and saying, hey, can you put this into our website? Or if you want to put some Google Ads conversion tracking code or anything like that, instead of going to a website developer, you can just simply go inside the Google Tag Manager, put it in, and it's available throughout your website. So it's a really great way of centrally managing all the pieces of code. So what I'll do now is I'll show you how to create an account first. Now, move this out of the way. So the first thing you do is go to tagmanager.google.com. So if you haven't already got a Google account, it'll say create a Google account. And then once you've logged in, if you've already got several accounts there, you'll be able to see them here. The first thing you need to do, and this is for your website, remember, it's not for anything else, just for your website. So you click on create account, you type in a name here. So I'm going to type in AimPro Digital. And then you scroll down, give it another name here. I'm going to type in aimpro.co.uk. And remember, we're going to store it for website, not for iOS or Android or anything else. We're just going to store it for your website. So we click on web here, and then we click on create. And then you obviously accept the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them, obviously. Click here and type in yes, as simple as that. Now what you do is you simply get two pieces of code. It's really so simple. You get this piece of code here, which you put into the header of your website, and this piece of code here, which you put into the body of your website. If you don't want to do it yourself, either give it to your website developer to do. If you still don't want them to do it, you can simply go to fiverr.com and somebody will show you exactly how to do this, and they'll probably charge you $5 or $10 maximum. Okay, so now in order to install it into your website, I'm going to show you how to install it into a WordPress website, but the concept's all the same. So whether you're installing in Shopify or any other website, the concepts are all the same. So what we're going to do, the easiest way to install it into your website is go to website, go to click on plugins and click on add plugin over here. And then over here, type in WP code, which is a really good plugin. So here it is. Now, if it's not already installed, it'll say you'll have a button called install now. And then once it's installed, click on activate. Once you click on activate, on your left-hand side here, you see this option here called code snippets. And then within that, you'll see header and footer. So click on header and footer. Now let's go back to here again. Now it's telling us to install this into the header. So we're going to copy this, come here and paste it into here. Then we're going to go back to Google Tag Manager again. And in the body, we're going to click this. It's copied it. Go here and literally just paste it into here like so. And then click on Save Changes. Now, once you click on Save Changes, what's really important before you test it is you go to your website like this and just refresh it and just visit a couple of pages. Like, for example, I'm going to visit the Google Ads page. I might click on the automotive industries and so on, or the contact page, or let's say get a free audit page and so on. Then what you do, you want to test to see if the tag has been installed. Then what you do for that is go to google.com and type in type in Tag Assistant Chrome extension or whatever browser you're using. And you see this here, Tag Assistant. You click on here and you simply, I've already got it installed. If you haven't, it'll say install onto your browser. Then once you've installed it onto your browser, you can simply go to your website, refresh it, and you'll see this icon here, this icon over here, called Tag Assistant. Click on the icon. And now what it'll do is it'll check to see if it's been installed. And you can see it's now saying Google Tags found. And it'll also tell you the ID of the tags that's found. So now it shows that your Google Tag Manager has now been successfully installed into your website. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do hit the subscribe button. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. We do produce weekly YouTube videos on all aspects of digital marketing and so much more. If you want help on Google, on any sort of Google marketing, or want an audit on your website, just let us know in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.